I can't tell if my audio is working or not. Hopefully my audio is working. Today's project, as I continue on building out my gardens behind me. On the last time we talked, I planted my 20 cypress trees, which are actually, I don't know if you can see over there or not, but they seem to be doing well. It's kind of far away. They seem to be doing well. It's been about 2 weeks, and we've got plenty of rain, probably more rain than we needed, but we got it, so I'm not gonna, rain these days is a blessing, so not going to complain. Anyways, so today's project is I've started working on my front flower beds, which is how you can see here's the front of the house. And let's see here. And I started digging it out. My wonderful landscaper decided he was going to put grass there before I had a chance to stop him. So a lot of grass grew in, and it was, I had to dig some of it out. Elaine's over there with our new toy, the new tractor. We haven't named her yet. Gotta have to find a really cool name. If anyone has any cool name for tractors, please put it in the comments because I'd love some suggestions. Anyways, so I bought some trees online. I bought some trees online, as I did with the cypress trees. These plants, these shrubs and evergreens, came from fast-growing trees. Ooh, there's a butterfly. Get distracted by pretty butterflies. For the most part, another online store. I'll put the link down below. I got a discount on them, free shipping, blah blah. They come with a 1-year warranty. I've been using them for years, and I've had problems with trees dying and whatever, not doing well, and they'll replace them. It's great. So as long as it's within the warranty period and you've done all the right things, they will replace them. As long as they have what you bought in stock, or they'll replace it with something similar. So anyways, I will show you what I bought here and kind of what I've come up with for a scheme. Again, I am not a landscaping professional. I'm just kind of winging it, knowing what I know, knowing what I want. I definitely wanted some evergreen type foliage in the front here, something to kind of fill the area under the porch here, and then and because it's so tall, I wanted to give it some height. So I purchased these here, and they're blue Arrow Junipers. You can see they're really pretty, and they will go. They're like Japanese in style, but they'll grow tall and narrow, and just kind of fill in, and hopefully they'll get probably as tall as the porch there. So I'm hoping it'll really fill that in. And then what I put in front of them, which will grow about 3 feet wide by like 3 by 3, 3 feet wide by 3 by 3, is called a Power Nandinas. And I've never grown these before, but they are semi-evergreen, I guess. And what they do is, like I said, they grow 3 by 3. They're drought tolerant, disease tolerant, and pretty much everything tolerant. They'll grow in zones, I think 5 through 10. Again, this is zone 7A. And the nice part, what I liked about these was they bloom a nice flower. They stay green like you see now, and then in the spring they have a nice pretty white flower, and then in the fall and the winter the leaves turn red, and they stay that way through the winter. So this area will like have a really nice full like burnt red look in the front of these pretty junipers, just to kind of give it some fill in here, and we'll see how it looks. And then in between and on the ends, I'm planting rows of Sharons. And I have these back. I had one of these back in Massachusetts, and it's a beautiful. Oh my goodness, it's a beautiful purple flower. If you've seen my old house pictures or whatever, it can get really big and really round. If you keep it trim, it'll do basically whatever you want. But it'll grow tall. It'll fill in this area. I've got it on both sides here and on the ends. And this blooms around mid-July-ish, and that pretty purple flower. So I've got it on the two ends. And then I'm sure I'll put something in front of the Nandinas. I haven't decided yet, so that's still to come. I've also bought these. What you'll see here is pink double knockout roses, and I think the butterfly here, if I can get him on camera, which is really pretty, yellow butterfly. If you can see him or not. Let's see if I can catch him. Whoop. I don't know if I'm catching him or not because I can't tell on the camera. Oh, there he is. Whoops, stay. Anyways, he must like the butterflies. There he is. Hello. Anyways, she really must like the, I don't know if it's him or her, but really must love the knockout roses here. I had these back in Massachusetts, and I absolutely adore them. They are drought tolerant, heat tolerant. The only thing I ever had a problem with was some bugs in the spring last year. I used neem oil and some other natural horticultural things to kind of get rid of those. Oh my goodness, that butterfly is beautiful. And I think he's just showing off for me, aren't you? Huh? Anyways, these I think are going to. I don't think I'm going to plant them here because I don't know what this is going to look like. I may just wait in front. I may plant them over in the front, in front of the porch on the shed. So that's kind of. I think that's what I may do later today. We'll see. I'll get back to you on that one. I got at Lowe's the other day. Lowe's, if anyone has ever shopped at your gardener and you ever shop at Lowe's, they have an amazing clearance rack. And you can get things 50 to 75% off if you hit the clearance rack. And basically, it's just stuff that is not pretty enough to put on in the main area. And I'll tell you, this stuff is absolutely perfectly fine. And this is this right here is a ground cover. It's called Early Bird Purple Ice Plant. It's a ground cover, and I'm going to put this in some of the areas around the perimeter of our driveway where there's a lot of red clay, and I think there's a lot of erosion potential. These don't do great in clay, so I'm going to have to amend the soil and make sure it has plenty of drainage type things, so that way they don't sit in water, because I guess they do not like to sit in water. So, but these were like $5 each that I got on sale for $2 each. So that 30 plants for like $6. That was a really good deal. And I got these hydrangeas, which are just absolutely gorgeous. Again, Lowe's. They were on the clearance rack. I can't believe it. They're gorgeous, but because that little flower there was probably didn't do well, they put on the clearance rack. So these are $25 pots. I think they're 2-gallon pots, 2 to 3 gallon pots, and I got them for $12.50 each. Like great deal. And I think that's all I got there. But I got more stuff coming. I'll show you what I planted after I get my roses in, and I think my butterfly here is going to follow me around today. And I'll show you what these garden beds look like once I finish planting them and making them all pretty and all that. Okay, bye for now.